10 to 20 miles per hour, shifting to the northwest 20 to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 50%. Friday night, mostly clear. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 294, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Dickey, North Dakota, and the following counties in South Dakota: Brown, Clark, Day, Edmonds, Falk, Hand, Marshall, McPherson, and Spink. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 294 has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Dickey, North Dakota, and the following counties in South Dakota: Brown, Clark, Day, Edmonds, Falk, Hand, Marshall, McPherson, and Spink. Here's the local